YouTube, what's up? Alright, got another video going here for you today. So what are we doing today? We are going to apply a trim restore on the edge. So the trim currently, actually, it doesn't look that bad. There's a couple of little spots where you can see there, a couple of little spots where it's starting to fade a little bit, not too much, but it does have some areas where, you know, rather than letting it go and letting it start fading, why not apply something to keep it you know, nice and black. So what are we using? We got this C4 Techniq, up to 2 years durability for use on all exterior trim, restores trim as new condition. We'll see if that's true. So with that, I'll open it up. Haven't opened the box yet, so let's take a look and see what's inside. Alright guys, so we got the box opened up. You can see there's the trim restore. Looks like it comes with just a few pads here to apply your applicator pads. Here is the solution, C4 solution there. Looks like it's just a little bottle here. Excuse the wind here. Got the instructions. So it looks like there's several different things that you can do with this, but we are going to be doing this, which is the permanent trim restorer. Work in a well ventilated area. Ensure your surfaces are clean. Apply with the applicator pad. Let it cure for 12 hours minimum. Let's see, what's this last one here? Once you have spread the product over each piece of the trim, gently wipe away residue immediately with an MF10 microfiber buff cloth. So yeah, basic stuff here. So we are going to first, I washed the car earlier today, but I'm going to go over one pass with isopropyl alcohol just to make sure that we have a nice clean prepped up surface for this stuff. Once we put it on, you want to make sure all grease and oils are off of the trim, so that way you can get a good you know, application on your trim, right? So yeah, let's do that. Alright you guys, so here we go. A little bit of IPA here. Got this little bottle at the dollar store. Put some isopropyl alcohol in there so you can spray. Make sure you wet your towel. Just kind of spray it down here and wipe it off. Make sure we have a nice, good, dry surface here so that when we apply the C4, you know, we're going to have a good, it will have a good grip, you know. So we'll do this throughout the entire ride. Let me move this here for you. Do the front. Same thing here on the front. Spray it down. Get all the little areas here. I'm thinking about taking this guy off and going with a different license plate. I don't like this thing, it's huge. So we're just going to clean off here all the surfaces. Make sure, like I said, make sure we have a good grip. There we go. That's pretty good. And it's going to make this black trim really stand out. And 2 years you don't have to do anything to it. That's pretty awesome. So let's see here. We'll go back around this side. Put this guy here. There we go. Just like that. Alright, so we got this all done, and so I'll go around the whole car, and I won't bore you to death here while I do this, but basically I'll go around the whole car and do all the trim, and then we'll get ready to go ahead and apply the C4. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so we got the bottle opened up here, shook it up a little bit, the little applicator pad. So you're going to apply some here onto your pad, get it nice and wet, and with these little pads you can just kind of go around the entire trim here. So as you can see, maybe I need to wet it down a little bit more. Make sure it's nice and soaked. So let's see here. Oh yeah, much better. So with that, you can see that it's coming out really nice. Kind of like an oily finish. There we go. Looks like some of these areas here that are white, it's not taking it off. I don't know if it's meant to take it off, but there we go. Just apply a little bit more here and continue down. That's definitely making it a little darker. So let's see. Try to position this guy here. There we go. And we'll go around the trim here. Definitely darkening it, making it a lot darker than what it was, even though it was, relatively new. But you can totally tell the difference already, that it does make it a lot darker, which is nice. That's what we want. We want a nice dark finish. Move around here, move the camera around here. There we go. Put this guy here so you can see there. Got this little area here. Oh yeah, when you put it on, you can immediately tell how much darker it gets. That's really cool. So when we're done, it should be pretty dark, and like the instructions say, it lasts up to 2 years. So that's awesome. You don't want your stuff fading. So even though if your car is brand new, I would suggest you throw the stuff on there just to preserve the new look, right? Why not? Here we go. This pad is getting worn out pretty good. Gonna change it out here soon. I have some additional little microfiber towels or pads when I applied the ceramic coating on the edge. So yeah, here we go. Let's move this guy, move it to the side over here, and finish off on this side. See how that looks. Oh yeah, I can tell the difference. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I didn't buy this car brand new. It was used. It's a 19 model, but it still looks very nice. Still quite clean, quite new. I guess it all depends how you take care of your cars, right? As you can tell, it's making this trim quite black, quite dark, man. That's awesome. exactly what you want, man. Nice and dark. Lasts for a long time. And with that, look at that. Looks like we got the first piece all done, you guys. Awesome. What do you think? Oh yeah, I can tell big time, man. It's nice and dark. I love it. Actually, what I'm gonna do is do the trim around the license plate holder for now, I guess, because it is black. So make sure it looks nice and dark. I'll see about removing this guy and see how we can apply a different license plate, because the front one doesn't have the tags, all right? So we'll see what we can do about that. There you go. Look at that. Man, super dark. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. So cool. With that, I'll do the remainder of the car. But yeah, you can see, nice and dark. Yeah, it's amazing. It's gonna look really, really good when I'm done. Come around this side over here. There we go. Cool. So with that, I'll do the remainder of the trim here around the car and let you know how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. So we got it all done, man. You saw the front. I went all the way around, applied it to the side trims and the rear. You can see that glossy finish on it. It looks really, really nice. So all the way around here on the rear trim. Get out of the sun here. It's really sunny here. Yeah, it looks amazing. Side here. Really darkened it out a lot more than what it was. Especially here in the front too. Looks amazing. Nice and dark. So basically, you know, this is just gonna preserve here the trim here, and hopefully, you know, won't dry out, especially if you live in really dry areas like in the desert, you know, Southern California, other desert areas, New Mexico, Texas. Yeah, a lot of different areas are very, very dry. So this would really help, you know, from that harsh sun, just to kind of help restore your trim, man. Keep it looking pretty new. So with that, that's pretty much it, you guys. Would I recommend this stuff? Hell yeah. C4G Techniq. I'll put it in the description below. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I don't get anything from any, you know, if you click my link and purchase through there. I just buy all this stuff on my own. You know, I love working on my cars. The Fusion. Next week I was going to do today the ceramic coating on the Fusion. I haven't done it yet. I did it on the edge. I strongly recommend that as well. I'm going to do it to my Fusion here. Just didn't have time today. So maybe next weekend. Stay tuned. And with that, that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. We'll keep going with some more stuff here for you. All right, man. Thanks. Peace.